Hey loves, in today's video, I will be reviewing 4 products from the new Ioni Electric Jungle Collection that is available at Dollar Tree. I also created this bright glitter eye makeup based on the collection's fun packaging. I purchased these 4 products from the Ioni Electric Jungle Collection from Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. While the collection had many great options, I chose these 4 because they stood out the most to me. The first product that I will be trying out is their brow gel. The packaging states that it is an all-in-one tinted brow gel that fills, tames, and sets for up to 24 hours. It is formulated to volumize and enhance natural brows. Before I apply anything to my brows, I like to brush them into my desired shape. My first impressions of the brow gel is that 1, it has a thick, extremely pigmented formula that dries down fast. It was drying down before I had a chance to completely fill in my brows. It also has a shiny finish. I also want to note that since it is so pigmented, it filled in areas of my brow where I didn't have any hairs at all. The claim that the formula will last for up to 24 hours is one that I easily believe after I tried to shape my brows. A makeup wipe would not work. As you can see here, I had to use coconut oil on a makeup Q-tip to remove the excess product. Even though the gel had set pretty securely, I was still able to gently reshape the hairs in the direction I wanted them to go. To further clean up and refine the shape of my brows, I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Here I am just touching up the front of my brow and adding back some of the definition that I blended away when I was blending out that concealer, and my brow is done. I almost forgot to include this clip. Here I am just showing you that it is completely dried down and it is not going anywhere. The brow gel is definitely my favorite product out of this haul. This collection's packaging is full of bright colors and fun, busy patterns. That is what inspired this colorful eye makeup. I am going to tell you the 3 main products that I used. The rest will be listed in the description. First, I used the ABH Norvina Volume 3 Pro Pigment Palette. For the glitter, I used the Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter Palette. And for lashes, this is another Ioni favorite of mine. It is their Wispy Natural Short Individual Lashes. The powder blush in shade Peach is formulated with superfine micronized powder pigments for easy and blendable application. Soft and lightweight to give you a perfectly natural flush, complements all skin tones. I'm applying the blush with my Real Techniques mini contour brush, starting on my apple and blending up towards my temple. This blush is very soft and really shimmery. It is a gorgeous rose gold, which I do agree looks gorgeous on all skin tones. In my opinion, this is better suited as a highlighter because it's too shimmery as a blush. I don't like it as a blush, but it would make a really pretty highlight. This is their face highlight in the shade Moonlight Glow. A soft and blendable face highlight suitable for all skin tones, natural and long-lasting. I am applying my highlight in the same way I applied my blush, using the Energy 110. This is a nice white gold highlighter. I do feel like it was overshadowed by the blush. It just didn't seem as shimmery. It had more so a reflective wet look, which I love when it comes to my highlighters. And this also has a very soft texture as well. Overall, I really do like both the blush and highlighter. Very shimmery, very reflective. Outside of this video, I will not be pairing these two products together ever again because it gave me a really shimmery cheek. I don't like that. But I do recommend them both as highlighters. The last item that I will be reviewing from the Electric Jungle Collection is the lip gloss in shade Pink Gold. A comfortable high shine gloss that coats the lips with a luxurious mirror effect for a more plumped appearance. This gloss has a thick, non-stick formula. It was very comfortable to wear. It is a really shimmery pink gold that matches perfectly with the peach blush in this collection, and I really like it. I also like how it ties in to the pink I used in my eye makeup to bring the whole look together. I love everything about this gloss. It is a gorgeous color with a great formula in a nice sized tube. Along with the brow gel, this is also one of my favorites out of the collection. I had so much fun creating this video. I've been using the Ioni Individual Lashes for months, so when I saw the display for this collection, I was so excited. All of the products that I used will be available in the description. Have you tried any pieces from the Ioni Electric Jungle Collection yourself? If so, let me know in a comment down below. I would also love to know what you thought of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!